Welcome to a Sim Code. Join the coding community. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make coding even more fun together. In Python, the pass statement is a placeholder used when a statement is syntactically required but you do not want to execute any code. It allows you to write empty blocks, such as functions, loops, or conditionals, without causing an error. For instance, when defining an empty function or a class, or when you plan to implement functionality later, you can use pass to ensure the structure is correct without breaking the program. Essentially, it tells the interpreter to do nothing and move on, making it useful during development, or when a certain block of code is temporarily unnecessary. This example demonstrates how to use the pass statement in Python to create empty blocks of code where functionality is yet to be implemented. The goal is to show how pass can be used in different contexts, such as in empty functions, conditionals, and loops, to prevent errors while allowing the structure of the program to be defined. The example includes a function, a conditional block, and a loop, each using pass to temporarily avoid implementation, which helps to organize the program during development. The functionality of this approach is to enable continued development without needing to fill in every part of the code immediately, while ensuring the program remains syntactically correct and error-free. This is an example to demonstrate the use of the pass statement in Python. The pass statement allows us to write empty blocks of code, which we can fill in later. An empty function. The function is empty for now, so we use pass to avoid errors. When we are ready to define the function's behavior, we will replace pass with actual code. The pass is useful here because Python requires that functions contain code. Without it, the program would raise an error for an empty function. Think of this like a placeholder when you're planning to come back to finish the function later. Empty conditional block. If x is greater than 5, we do not want to do anything yet, so we use pass. This block will run if x is less than or equal to 5. The pass here prevents us from leaving an empty block, which would cause an error. It allows us to structure the program without doing anything right away. This is helpful in cases where you plan to add functionality later or if you are testing other parts of the code. Empty loop. Here, we are looping through numbers 0 to 4. For now, we do not need to perform any actions inside the loop, so we use pass. The pass statement is helpful in situations where we need the loop structure but do not want to perform any actions yet. This can happen during development when you are focusing on other parts of your code, but you still need to set up the loop. Now run our code. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.